Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ludo King with friends. First, launch the Ludo King application on your device. From the main menu, tap on the Play with Friends button. Next, select Create Room to generate a unique 4-digit code. This code is essential for inviting your friends. Share this code with up to 3 other players so they can join your private game. Make sure everyone has a good internet connection for an uninterrupted experience. To join a game your friend has already created, begin by opening the Ludo King app. On the main screen, find and tap the Play with Friends option. Instead of creating a room, you will now select Join Room. Here, you will need to accurately enter the 4-digit room code that your friend shared with you. Once entered, confirm your selection to connect directly to their private game and start playing together. Ludo King offers several ways to customize your game with friends. Before starting, you can choose between the traditional classic mode or the faster-paced rush mode. You also have the flexibility to set the number of players, ranging from 2 to 4 participants. The primary objective remains consistent: be the first to get all 4 of your tokens safely into the home area. Remember to use the in-game chat feature to interact and strategize with your friends. To truly enjoy Ludo King Unlimited with your friends, consider playing multiple rounds back-to-back. This allows for continuous fun and friendly rivalry. Don't hesitate to switch between classic and rush modes to discover which one your group enjoys most. You can even organize small, informal tournaments to add an extra layer of excitement and competition. Most importantly, always remember to practice good sportsmanship to ensure a positive and enjoyable experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.